time here has built a foundation of knowledge, resilience, and friendships that will stay with you wherever life takes you.
Your graduation is not just a milestone. It's a call to share your stories, champion technical education, and inspire others to pursue their own dreams.
Today we celebrate your success at Westburn and send the best wishes for your success after graduation. This is an epic day, and I hope you have time planned to celebrate these accomplishments with your friends and with your families.